We've been a Chamberlain LiftMaster dealer for probably 55 years, if not longer. It's a third generation company. Not many people have generations working together like we do.
The new TECHNA operators, they look very sleek, they look more modern. I think it's what customers have been looking for in the advancement from the previous generation.
Homeland is an equestrian community located in Lake Worth, Florida. We have a little over 1,000 cars a day pass through our 2 gates. That's a great deal of traffic. We need to have something that is going to be dependable.
We had the old mega arms out there and they were installed 15 years ago. And with the new unit coming out, it's more of a modern style, easy for our service people to A, install, B, service it.
Because it's already existing with your same old boards with your other products, so it's straightforward and easy to learn. Definitely a lot easier when it comes to installing them. My first impression was something new finally.
We have new gate arms that, they're great. Bells and whistles, they light up. The residents, they like the new LED lights. It's easier to see and it seems to be operating more smoothly and have fewer problems than we did with our previous model.
The operator is extremely smooth. The system is really easy to use. It's super user-friendly.
When I think about the LiftMaster brand, I think about technology and advancement and product reliability, new products for bigger doors, bigger gates, something more sophisticated looking, answering the questions we ask to help our customers. The LiftMaster is helping us keep up with the expectations of the customers.